Hello student, in this tutorial we will see how we can reverse a number without the help of any loop concept. Okay, let's check out how it works. So we have to include header files. First is standard input header files, and second is console input header files. Okay, and all the programs are started from void main, as you've seen in my earlier tutorials. And I will take an integer 1 2 3 and variable b, variable c, variable d, and variable e. Okay, and then I have to clear skin clr scr. Okay, if b equals to a, it means all the values assigned to b. Okay, if I use modulus 10, it will give me the remainders. How? Okay, it's single line comment. Okay, it will not work in the program. Okay, what is the value of a to assign b? 1 2 3 modulus 10 gives last value, it will give value 3. C equals to a divided by 10. A divided by 10 gives the quotient. If I divide 1 2 3 by divided by 10, it gives 1 2, and modulus 10 gives me 2 value. Okay, what is the value of a 1 2 3 divided by 10? It will be the quotient. What is the quotient? 1 2. And if after I divide by modulus 10, it gave me the value of 2. Okay, d equals to a divided by 100. What it will give me? 1 2 3 divided by 100. It will give me 1 value. Sorry, I will not its comment. Okay, or I have to reverse. E equals to b into 100 plus c into 10 plus d into 1. Okay, so what value it gives? Show me to 3 2 1. Reverse it. Okay, printf. For printing, what I am using integers, so I have to use in percentile d. Sum is equals to reverse equals to percentile d comma. Okay, percentile d comma. I have to print the value of e, because e contain all the values e, and then I have to write get ch, which hold the screen, and next alt control F9. There is no error, it will run and it will reverse the value. Thank you for watching this video.